Imagine you configure here the EIGRP or OSPF. So when you configure EIGRP, you will enable this one and this one in the EIGRP. And here also you will enable this interface. We are using here 12 dot like 192.168.12.2 this side, and here you have 12.1, and here you have 1.1.1, here you have 2.2.2. So when you enable the EIGRP, if I make example, I am here. If this interface go down here, they will not remove this route here till the hold on time is finished. As you remember, we have 5 to 15 seconds. Every 5 seconds they are sending the hello messages, and hold on time is 15 seconds. Till 15 seconds they will not remove this entry from the routing table. If you check show IP EIGRP neighbor, you will have the neighbor. Even this link go down, he will not remove. Why I taken switch means, if you have directly connected, like you have this one router here, you have another router here. So directly connected link go down. Example, if I make this interface down, immediately they will make down. But in the real world, you have maybe some device here in between. Like ISP router you have, ISP router will terminate the fiber on your switch. And from this switch, you are connected to many devices. So this is the one department. You have another department like this. You can connect, depend company to company. So in one of the project, ISP terminated to the switch, and this all ports is having the ISP. So they taken this cable for other department. This is other department. This is for one department. So here we have the router. So this one you can ignore the other department. Now you can say directly you don't have connected. You have this one R1, this is R2, that is ISP you can say, and they enable the EIGRP. They enable the EIGRP here. Who? The ISP will ask you, or if you have the internal or external routers, whatever you have, we enable the EIGRP or OSPF. Anything we can enable. So here I enable, and here what LAN network I have, here also we enable. Here we enable, here LAN network what we have, we enable. So this LAN network will learn by this router when we enable EIGRP or OSPF. Same, this LAN network will learn by this router when we enable the EIGRP or OSPF. But the problem here, in some financial application like net banking, or you have the ATM, or you have some more critical, mission critical application, there it need to update very quickly. But if you say here this interface go down and they are not directly connected, in between switch is there, so this link they don't know, just this guy is sending hello message every 5 seconds, and he's waiting for reply till 15 seconds. So till 15 seconds this R2 did not reply, then only he will remove this neighborship from his routing table. Before that 15 minutes he will not remove. But in some mission critical application, immediately you need to remove. But here it cannot, it will wait till hold on time. So what we can do? You have any solution? You have any idea, or you are thinking something how I can do? Some student is saying make the hold on time less. Every 5 seconds they are sending, so make 6 as a hold on time. We can do that also, but that is not a practical solution. If you are keeping the hold on time very less, sometimes CPU will go high also, because they are sending very quickly, and this router is having some other task, he did not reply within the 5 seconds, then they have the issue. Hello, from now you are able to hear, or let me repeat again what I am saying here. I am saying like this is a router R1, this is a router R2. They are connected to switch. We enable the EIGRP example. When we enable the EIGRP here and here, so this route will go here and this route will come here. And they have the hold on time is 15 seconds. Even if this link go down, this router will have the entry about this neighbor till 15 seconds. So they will wait for 15 seconds that maybe this guy will reply. If he did not reply till 15 seconds, then he will remove his entry, else he will keep his entry. You know that, right? Normally when we check the neighbor in the OSPF or EIGRP. So now we don't want to wait this much time. If the link go down, we need to quickly update because some mission critical application or financial application, we have the issue if we wait for a long time. So what is the solution for that one? So some student is saying solution is you have the hold on time 15 second reduced to 6 second because you are sending every 5 second. So reduce to 6 seconds. So this guy send here and within the 6 second if he did not bring here the hello message from here, they can remove the neighborship. But that is not a practical solution because sometimes this router is busy with other tasks. He have some time to reply. He did not reply within 6 seconds, the neighborship will go down, link go down. Again he reply, again link come up. So with this one you will have the route flapping. Flapping route means coming in the routing table, going again, coming again, going again. You have the flapping of route and you have the CPU will utilize more. So this problem we will have. That is not a good solution, reducing the hold on time. So what we can do means we can use the BFD, Bidirectional Forwarding Detection. This is an independent protocol. We can use this along with EIGRP or OSPF or BGP. So what he will do, this is a super fast protocol. This is a super fast protocol. If we enable here this protocol also, if this link go down, he will send the message saying that one router R2, what you are doing, this link is already done, remove this one. So he will not wait for 15 seconds, he will remove quickly.